Hi there, my name is Piyush. Today I'm going to talk about outlier analysis, how we can do outlier analysis using Tableau. Let's see how to do that. So this is what we are going to build. So we will be using standard deviation calculation and also we'll make use of parameter to build this. So what you see here is like any values above the dotted line are outliers, above and the below. Basically the orange color dots that you see are the outliers and the ones which are within the bound in the gray area are within bound. Okay, now let's see how to do that. I'll put my order date on column. I'll make it continuous month, and I'll put my sales in row. Okay, so this basically gives the time series, the line chart, and now we want to see which are the values which are outlier. So very first thing we need to create a parameter. We'll name this as number of standard deviation. Use a short form here. Okay, now I'll keep it float. Here I'll make it range. I want my maximum value to be 3 and step size should be 1. I'll click OK. Then I want upper bound and the lower bound. So we'll need to write a calculated field for that. I'll create a calculated field. Windows average sum of sales sum of sales plus I'll put my parameter multiplied by Windows standard deviation. So Windows is basically, it does the calculation at a visualization level, sum of sales. I'll name this as upper bound. Okay. Now we need to duplicate this because we need to create one more calculated field for lower bound. I will add it. I'll name this as lower bound. Just remove the copy part. Okay. All you need to do is change the plus to minus. Okay. So yeah, our upper bound and lower bound are ready now. Now we need to put that in the chart. So you need to drag your calculated field in detail shelf and then you need to create a reference band. Okay, go to analytics tab and here you find an option reference band. Put it in your sales. Okay, see here is the value. I'll select as lower bound and I'll select upper bound. I don't want to show any label, so I'll make it none. I'll make this also none. Let's have some dotted line and yeah, field I'll keep it gray. Okay, all right, so here we have our upper bound and the lower bound. So the values within the gray area are within the range, and anything above or below your gray area are considered as outlier. Now let's duplicate our sum of sales. Right click and click dual axis. Okay, let's synchronize the axis. Okay, so now we need, one thing you need to do is change your chart type to circle. Okay, so now you see the dots here, I mean the outliers, okay, in dot form. Now we want to color code. We want to show your outlier in orange color, and the ones which are within your range, say in green color. So we need to write a calculated field. If my sum of sales was is greater than upper bound, or my sum of sales is less than lower bound, then outlier. Else in range. Yeah, then you need to end this calculation. Okay, let's name this as outlier. So now all you need to do is put this in your color shelf. Okay, so here we go. We have you know created our this analysis basically helps to identify the outlier in your data set. Now you can show parameter. If you change the value, it will change the range. Now once you select the two standard deviation, it tells that we just have two outlier outside the range, outside the upper and the lower bound. All right, yeah, this is how we do the outlier analysis. Thank you very much for watching the video.